one of the most simple recipes you can make with rhubarb. That's rhubarb lemonade. It's very simple to make, it's really fast, and I make it like this. And as I said, it's a simple recipe, so it uses only few ingredients. Clean up the rhubarbs, remove the ends, cut it in half so it's easier to handle. Rinse, and then cut them into approximately 1-inch pieces. It's really not that important. A cinnamon stick, star anise, cover with water, and let it simmer. Usually it takes about 10 minutes. Do it until they're dissolved like this. That means all the juices has been pulled out. Put the sugar into a ball, and that should be half the amount of rhubarb by weight, as a rule of thumb for different amounts. Sieve it. Press out gently so you don't get rhubarb into your juice or your lemonade. Stir to dissolve the sugar. A little bit of vanilla sugar or vanilla extract, whatever you got. You can use a stick of vanilla too. Add some lemon. The juice from one lemon, not the pits. Mix it, and then put it into something you can pour from. This is about a little more than a quart. And put it into the fridge and enjoy. And now my rhubarb lemonade has had time to cool off, and I'm as excited as a kid in a candy store. Wasn't this one full when I put it into the fridge? You cannot trust family. Oh well, at least there's something for me. And a little bit of water. Oh yes, it's very good. Rhubarb, a little bit of cinnamon, and a little bit of the star anise. It tastes really good, a little bit licorice. Well, if you don't like it, you can leave that out, but I do. Enjoy. And you can find the list of ingredients and the recipe on kvalifood.